it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today, or not today, this weekend, I am going 2 hours out of town with my boyfriend and we're having a vacation. I don't think anything too crazy is gonna happen, but I'm going to take y'all along anyway because y'all know I like to vlog for memories. So it's like, we're supposed to be leaving at 8 and then he texted me at 7 and was like, or 6:30, and he was like, are you up? I was up at 7, I called him and he was like, yeah, we could go at 8 or we can leave right now. They're at 7:30, so it's 7:15 right now. I think I'm ready. I could probably tell him to make his way. That's kind of it right now. I'm excited. I feel like I'm waking up for school. Like the air in my room is like outside in the early morning and I haven't woke up this early in a long time, but I'm feeling good. I went to bed late and I was terrified that I was gonna wake up late. I went to bed like 3:34, which is totally normal for Angel. Yes, I could sleep in the car, but I don't want to. I need to study. I still have summer classes. School does not end for me. I just brushed my teeth. I just packed, like, look at my skincare. I packed a suitcase for a day. Typical me, I don't know how to pack light, and a backpack wouldn't cut it, typically because I have skincare to pack and hair care stuff to pack, and I'm gonna be doing my hair in the car. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing makeup in the car. I was gonna put my outfit on, but I'm wearing jeans and I don't feel like I wanna wear jeans in the car. I feel like that's so uncomfortable. So I'm just gonna be putting on sweats right now and like some socks because I know the car is gonna be cold. I know this man, he's gonna blast that AC. So why not be just cozy in the car? That seems like a good idea. Okay, so where are sweats I can wear? Okay, I'm finding some sweats, y'all. Oh, found some. Angel's favorite outfit, sweatpants and a tank top. Love that. It is so comfortable. I just love being comfy, okay? And jeans aren't comfy, and that's what I'm supposed to be wearing today. Look at this one pimple I got. Rude. How are you guys? How was your summer? Mine has been good. I've been home. I go to school abroad, if you don't know, but I'm going back to school in a month for the first time. I haven't been in school I've been in school, but I haven't been back in the States. I live in Canada. I haven't been back there I went to help my sister with her baby, but I haven't been there for school in a year, so that's crazy. And I'm gonna go back in next month. I think I'm ready. Look at my skin, it looks beautiful. Came a long way. We did not start here, y'all. Y'all who've been here for a minute know that. So let me humble myself real quick before the Lord humbles me. And he has, with this pimple, which is driving me crazy. Let me call this man and tell him I'm good to go. Hello? You said we're gonna stop at the hotel first, right? Okay, cool. Then yeah, you can come. I'm gonna change in the hotel because I don't want to wear jeans in the car. Okay. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna hit y'all up. Hit y'all later. And I'm in the car because that's the next portion of this, right? Anyway, okay, see y'all. We arrived and I didn't get to do anything. I have a shirt on, by the way. There was no time, but we're at a breakfast place and I'll show you when we get our food. And I look naked as hell. Stealing. This is so small. Hopefully it fills me up. I don't really know what it is, but it sounded good. You could have gone. We go in separate. We just finished our massage. So I showed you guys how it looks. This is how it looks in here. There's like it's so bougie. What's it called? Got my shoes on. And then they actually have a key card. Mine is 5 for a woman, and that's my little thing. And this is my locker. There's my stuff. Let's get changed. We literally just came from, like, I'll explain later. We have like an hour left to to do to get ready because we're going to like a baby shower or a baby's birthday. There's so much going on. We're in a rush. We're back at the hotel, but we're going to eat at like 2 a.m. We're gonna get some late night bites because we just left the family event. So downstairs we go. I just want to pee, so. Vacation. Hi, my name's Angel and I'm the worst vlogger in the world. I wanted to give you guys a little room tour because we're eventually leaving. I told you guys we were gonna stay one day, but I don't know. I don't know if we're staying 1 or 2 days now. I don't know what's going on. But I'm trying to fix up my room a little bit and then I'll show you guys what's everything looking like. So this is the front, the door. This is the closet. Has like umbrellas just in case it's raining. I don't, oh, it's secrecy. This is the little chair. This is the bed, TV, you know, the basic stuff. This is gonna be the fastest room tour ever because it's not that cool that it needs to be 10 hours long, you know? This is our view. Can I see? Okay, so this is the fridge. Look, stocked up, but we all know they charge you, right? Last night we forgot to get drinks, so I got some apple. I took an apple juice. Oh, it's on me, okay? Look, they have like double sliding doors, which are so pretty. And then this. Oh, there's the view. Look. Oh my gosh. When I see the view, it literally feels like I'm in like Quebec again. It's really pretty. This is the shower, and it has like literally like a movie theater shower or music video showers. This is the bathroom. I just collected all our towels. They're clean. Oh, and in here, what's in here? The area, okay. Oh, just like a hair dryer. And it keeps opening, okay. I guess for towel rack. This one doesn't open. But yeah, this is the bathroom. I'm charging my laptop because I forgot last night and I need to study. And then this is the bathroom. It's a sliding door. And it looks like this. And it has like a phone. Like how bougie and extra. What the heck do we need a phone in there for? I guess if you're doing your business and you want to talk business, you know. And then it slides closed. You see the double doors? Isn't that like sexy? It's like cute. Okay. That's it. Yesterday I showed you guys a little bit of like the party I went to. It was my boyfriend's cousin's baby. She turned 1. So there was that. I didn't show you much because I don't know these people that well. And also a lot of people don't want to be on camera. And it's a privacy thing. Why would I do that? And then after that we went downtown to get food, but all the spots were closed. And then we also tried to go to like this like hookah spot, but again it was like closed in 30 minutes and it just didn't make any sense, so we didn't do that. So we just came back home and we knocked out. Actually, we ordered food because everywhere was closed, and we knocked out because the food was taking so long. It was saying like, I think it was like over an hour. We literally ended up falling asleep, and then like I woke up to like the hotel calling us, like literally on and on, and then the guy ended up coming up, but it was a mess. But we got our food. We had like donair food, but yeah. And then we went to Stampede. I showed you guys a little bit of clip of that, and then we might be going today as well, so I can show you guys more of that because y'all missed out. But that's kind of it. I don't know what else. My hair is a mess. Please ignore. I'm going to do it in the car, but yeah, that's it. Look at my shirt. It's so cute. Yeah, that's it. Look how bad my hair looks. Oh my gosh, I need to comb it out. Yeah, that's it. Hello, I'm here. I suck. I'm the worst vlogger. We know this, but nothing happened. We just ended up coming back home, and I didn't film that for you guys, whatever. But I did film something else that we did. Basically, yesterday, I surprised my man with like an indoor picnic and paint kind of night. I really wanted to do it. I told him, I got him a paint thing, like you guys know those TikTok paint things. I got him one of those for Valentine's Day, and we never got around to doing it. And I was like, yo, yo, this Sunday we finna do that. And then I asked him what sandwich he wanted. He didn't see anything of it, but I wanted to film it for you guys. But what happened was, one, I'm not good at filming in the moment, especially when it comes to like being with like my boyfriend, because I just enjoy just spending time. But also why I didn't film is because I got to his place and he was like, go to his place. He said he was gonna be home later than he was, so I was gonna go there, you know, and set things up. But he was there earlier than I expected, so I was like, how am I gonna work around this, because that wasn't my plan. So I got there, and then he was like, you want to come with me to the store? And I was like, no, I don't want to go. And he was like shook, because he was like, okay, like that's not me, right? I usually always want to go, I don't mind. And he was like, it'll be quick. And I'm like, no, I don't want to go to the store. Like I was acting annoyed. And then he was like, okay. And then like he ended up not going to the store because he was like, there's no point. Why would I go to the store alone? And I was like, so I ended up like hiding him somewhere in his house. And I was like, just stay here. I'll call you when I'm ready. And I set up the whole thing because he's been like super stressed lately. So I set up the whole thing, and then it was super cute. I put like a candle and stuff. I'm so romantic. And then I even like changed into like a cute dress because I was like, let's make this a whole date night. And yeah, so we just had like an indoor paint and picnic type day, and it was super cute. So I'll send those clips in at the end of this because it's not much. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble. Okay, and always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hope you enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams. I'm closer, I can feel it like the end of regulation is approaching, and I'm posting up Kareem with 15 seconds left. And it's